Not only can you determine what your looks show, you can also determine how they show it. Let's see what some of the formatting options are and how to use them. Looks are formatted in an area called Explore. Explore is the query configuration space within SpendRadar where looks can be created or modified. This can be done either when creating a new look or modifying an existing one. If modifying a look, click the look's title to bring it into Explore. Explore is divided into 4 areas. 3 of these areas determine the data that is included in our look. The 4th area, which is called Visualization, determines how our look appears. One way we can format our look is by visual type. The buttons along the top of this area allow us to change visual types easily. Another way we can format our look is by color. Let's click the gear icon in the upper right of this area and click on the Series tab. There are color themes available in the Colors drop-down menu. We can also use our own color as long as we know the hex code for it. To enter a hex color code, simply click the color swatch for the appropriate data field and enter the code beginning with a number sign. Also under the Series tab, we can change labels, and if our look has a couple of y-axes, we can have each axis display as a different visual type. Speaking of axes, we can also change the names of our axes by selecting the appropriate tab, X for horizontal and Y for vertical. Note that for looks with a couple of y-axes, there are sub-tabs to configure each axis. And finally, a heat map can be added when displaying a look as a table. To do this, let's click on the Formatting tab and enable conditional formatting. We can then select a specific numeric field to which to apply it and what we want the colors to indicate. This concludes our video about formatting looks in SpendRadar. Thanks for watching!